Hey everyone, so after a crazy busy weekend and crazy busy end of the week and just a lot of things going on, honestly, I woke up like really stressed out Monday morning because like folded laundry is piled up, dirty laundry is piled up, and the laundry room looks even worse than this pile does. On top of all that, several years ago, our storage room flooded, and so we've had a temporary solution for several years because just every time we go to fix it, something else goes wrong, and it's been a temporary solution for several years. But our temporary storage room flooded for temporarily. The problem was fixed, but all of that was like stressing me out. But instead of focusing on that, I'm going to focus on the positive things for today. It's raining outside. We're in a safe. We have heat to keep our home warm. We have clean clothes to wear because the washer and dryer are still working. After spending an evening with my 16-year-old doing the one thing she wanted to do, which was help wrap her sisters and her dad's presents, we already have some of our Christmas presents already wrapped. We have more wrapping paper to use. So I can either have a bad attitude about it and it'll make the day even worse because I've got so much to do today and not enough time to do it in. Or I can pray, I can give thanks for everything that we have, I can turn some music on, and I can just work through it, and whatever gets done today is better than nothing done, and be thankful for what I have, and focus on those gratitude moments to get us through the day. So I am truly thankful that I have a day, and I don't have to balance work and life. I can just stay home. So I'm gonna stay home today. It's raining. It's a rainy fall day. We're gonna stay home, get some work done around the house, turn some music on, and why don't you do the same and join me with a full day of cleaning.